As you know, virtual reality was at an all-time hype a few years ago, and I'm here to bring it back. Welcome to VR Volleyball. I'm Noah Rickard, and I'm here to present to you my programming project. VRVB is a new immersive, imaginative, and interactive way of playing, discovering, and practicing volleyball. VRVB brings the fun and exercise of playing volleyball and the liberty and creativity of virtual reality together. Mimicking the movements needed for volleyball, the game lets you experience 2x2 games with bots in a field similar to an arena separated by a net. The game's physics are simulated using the Unity physics engine. The collision detection system also ensures that the ball behaves naturally when it collides with other objects, such as the player's hands or the volleyball net. It showcases the use of predictive algorithms and simulated physics in C# using Unity to create a realistic and engaging virtual reality volleyball game. The game features two main scenes. A practice scene, which lets you learn how to interact with the field and the ball. You can practice all your moves like passing, setting, hitting. And even spiking, because the game lets you jump using the typical arm motion needed in volleyball jumping. Then you can practice with a partner in the match scene where you will go against AI controlled bots that are able to move thanks to a predictive algorithm that anticipates the ball's trajectory. Now, with VRVB, you can practice your game anywhere, anytime. With a simple VR headset and remote, the field will follow you wherever you go. And I hope to add a multiplayer feature in the future. As I say, volleyball all day, volleyball every day. If you're having a hard day, you can spike your problems away and bump up your spirit.